everyone, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. In today's update, we'll be going through a new feature just released to QuickBooks Online, mileage tracking. Now this feature is available both in the QuickBooks mobile app as well as on the web. So without further ado, let's see this feature in action. First thing you want to do is tap on the hamburger symbol, so those three lines, and you want to tap on mileage. You see here, you can see a whole bunch of trips that the mobile's automatically categorized for me going from the office to a client meeting, etc., etc. And you can quickly categorize those. You can see here I've already got some sort of review trips as well, so you can quickly sort of toggle between the two. But I want to tap on this trip, and you can sort of say, hey, it's a business or it's a personal. And I say, hey, this was a business trip. Sorry, there we go, this is the business trip. You can describe what your trip was for, so you can either free text, or here's a couple that I've been using already. So say, hey, that was a meeting with a client. You can also create a rule, so moving forward it'll auto categorize for you. I'm just going to tap on that for you there. So there you go. While in the mobile app, you can actually create trips manually by clicking on the plus symbol, and you can add in your trip manually there, as well as if you need to manage any of your mileage tracking settings, you can tap the three dots on the right hand side. If you're in iOS, that'll be in the hamburger symbol down the bottom in settings. So basically you just want to go to settings, and you want to go down, and then you can sort of say, hey, you want to manage favorite locations, your mileage settings, mileage rules. You can also add a vehicle. So if you have multiple vehicles within your business, you can also add additional vehicles there too. So let's jump into the web product and show you there as well. So go here, there we go. Through the magic of screen sharing, I am now showing you mileage within QuickBooks Online. So you see here, I'm in QuickBooks Online Accountant today, but this is also obviously available in QuickBooks Online. On the left-hand menu, there's a new option for mileage. So you see here, you can categorize your type of sort of trips to ones that have been, all unreviewed, business or personal. So, we're going to review our trips, so we're going to go to our unreviewed ones. You can also obviously sort by dates, and you can even search for a particular trip. So here you can obviously make any edits. If maybe your mobile was turned off because you're in a tunnel or something like that, you can edit any of the details there, and you can quickly sort of say whether it was a business or a personal. In addition, you can add a manual trip simply by clicking add trip, or select the drop down and you can add a vehicle. So I'll add a vehicle here and say, hey, it was a car, and the nickname is, let's just say, work van. There we go. So then you can also naturally add the trip to a particular work vehicle. There we go. So really excited to see this. We did announce it at QuickBooks Connect back in May. So it is now available in the product. Please let us know your feedback from either selecting the gear icon and selecting feedback, or leave it down in the comment section down below. And I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Have a great day.